All right. Look at this escalator right here. Look at this. This is one of the shortest and most cutest Otis NCE single file escalators I've ever ridden. This has got to be an Otis NCE because the elevators here, all of the elevators and escalators were installed by Otis. So let's take a ride on this thing, shall we?
Let's take a ride.
Look how much of a short distance that is. Look at this. This is one of the shortest distance I've ever seen. And we have a bystander.
Go back down.
Yep. Yeah, we have a bystander who's talking, so in case you're wondering, it's okay. You know, I just happened to stumble across while I was looking at this thing. But anyways, I think I might go for one more ride. Look how short that. This is only like half the height. We'll go for one more ride and then we'll go back down and end the video.
This is nice. A little short ride.
All right, we're gonna go back down and we'll conclude the video. Okay, and with that being said,
Good ride.
it is. When we get a good view of it, here's your good view of these cute little escalators here. And we'll end the video with the big Texas sign. That'll be it. Thanks for watching.